In this video, I'm going to show you how to call someone without showing your number. Now this works on Android. I'm not sure if this works on iOS. Now for this, we don't need any third-party apps and we don't need to pay for any apps, okay? So we're just going to use our phone. Now we want to start off by opening phone, which is right there. So click on phone and then click on the three little dots at the top right corner and then click on settings. Once you're here, you want to scroll down and click on supplementary services, which is above other call settings. So click on that. And then right there, you can click on show my caller ID. Okay. Now right there, you can actually click on hide number. And that's how you can actually call someone without showing your number. If right now you're going to call someone, they won't see your number. Okay. They're probably going to see private number. Now that's exactly how you can call someone without showing your number, because by doing this, you will hide your phone number. Now, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Comment down below that this works or who you're gonna prank with this, and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.